Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, thanks a lot for your support. I appreciate it. In today's video, we'll be making this juicy oven grilled tilapia. And for this, we need our fresh tilapia, onion, pepper, garlic, ginger, spring onion, thyme, salt, and oil. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are in the description box below. Let's get started. We'll start by blending our onion, garlic, ginger, spring onion, pepper, thyme, salt, and oil. You can use any blender of your choice. Next, we'll trim off the fins of the tilapia and wash it very well under running water. Try to be careful with this process. Next, we'll add some vinegar to water and wash the fish in the solution. This helps with reducing the usual fish stench considerably. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly consider doing if you are interested in food recipes. We'll then pat the fish dry with some kitchen tissue. And then make diagonal slits across the fish, which makes it absorb the marinade. Next, we'll wrap our fish with a blended seasoning and cover it up and allow it to marinate for 1 hour. So after an hour, we'll oil our grilling rack, and this helps prevent the fish from sticking onto it. We'll then put the fish on the rack and grill in our oven for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, we'll be basting our fish with the remaining marinade mixed with oil. Ensure to be generous with the marinade. Then flip it over and repeat the basting. The fish then goes back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. This can be enjoyed with rice, with bangkun, kenke, or grease. I'll be having mine with grease. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you've not done yet. Until I come your way with another recipe, it's bye!